What's up, guys? This is Oliver here from Online Detailing Store, and welcome to our new YouTube series where we will be reviewing products and give you guys little tutorial videos every week. So for today, because we're in Toronto, Canada and it's very cold, I'm going to be reviewing the Optimum No Rinse and also giving you guys a little tutorial on how to wash your car in the winter with minimum equipment. Unless you take your car to a professional detail shop or like a coin wash, there's really not much you can do. But now with the Optimum No Rinse and some proper equipment, we will be able to wash your car squeaky clean. Before we go out and actually wash a car, I'm just going to run down some of the things that I personally like to use when I wash my own car. So obviously you got the Optimum No Rinse. This is the soap we'll be using. Why it's so popular is because this, you don't really need any sort of foam gun or anything like that. This, you dilute it in your water, and with a Wash Mitt, you're able to wash your car. Technically a no water wash. And also, because it's very, very cold over here, it's about 2 degrees, so you can technically wash your car, but with your bare hands, you'll be freezing. So we have these gloves. Now these gloves, let me just unbox these for you. As you guys can see, it's very, very long. Now, the advantage of these is because when you wear them, they will go over your jacket, so you won't have to, wear a thin jacket or anything like that. You can wear your warm, thick winter jacket, and this will go over your sleeves, no problem, to prevent, any water spilling or just cold. These gloves are also insulated, so your hands, you don't have to wear extra thick gloves inside. You can if you want to. These are very roomy, but for me, just normal bare hands in the gloves is enough. So these gloves we will be using as well. A little pro tip, although the No Rinse is very, very good already, if your car is extremely dirty, and in Canada we have lots of salt on the road right now because of the snow, we like to dilute this 1:32 into any sort of spray bottle, and you just want to kind of hit your panels, all the panels you're washing, with a little quick lubricant before you actually go in with your Wash Mitt and kind of glide and wash through the car, just to have that extra step of protection, make sure you don't scratch anything. So I think this is all you need. Obviously a bucket and a bucket of water. So let's head outside. We got a beautiful BMW 2020 330i right now. So let's go wash it right now. Alright, so now we're at the back of the shop. Obviously, you got this BMW 330i, and it's quite dirty. I don't know if you guys can see because it's white, but trust me, when we later see it in closer, you guys will see it's kind of dirty, and there's salt, there's dirt. So we got our bucket here with full of warm water and a Wash Mitt in here, and also, as I said before, we got this little spray bottle, so we're gonna spray a little bit on here before we actually wash the car, just so you have that little bit extra step of protection. So we have about 4 gallons of water here. It's recommended, so 1 ounce of the No Rinse is equal to 2 gallons of water. So we have 4 gallons here, so we're gonna do just eyeball around 2 ounces. That's what you guys should do when you wash your own car. We're gonna do a little bit in here right now, and we're gonna put 2 ounces in there after. So for this kind of thing, if you have a measuring cup, you can use it. If not, eyeballing it, the more is not gonna hurt it. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. You guys can see the color change. That's probably good. So you want to close it, shake it if you want, mix it well. We're gonna do that just in a second, but for now I'm gonna do the 2 ounce in the bucket. So I'm gonna take the Wash Mitt out. You can just eyeball it. That's probably good, especially because we're using this as a pre-wash. Just make sure you have enough in there so it glides and cleans efficiently, and you'll be good to go. So for now, I'm gonna shake the bottle. I'm gonna hit just the dirty panel where it is, and after we're gonna use that. As I said before, we're gonna hit the dirty panel with some pre-wash, and you guys can see I got these massive gloves on. These are actually really, really warm. For those of you, that want to wash your car in style, I prefer to keep my hand useful after. So we're gonna shake this bad boy, mix it, and you guys can see the gloves actually go all the way up to my sleeves. I don't have to worry about my jacket getting dirty or wet. So we're just gonna do it quick. We're just gonna hit here. Just make sure you have enough on there, right? More on this side so you guys can see. Just a generous amount. Doesn't really matter. More the better. So now we're gonna take our Wash Mitt. You can use any Wash Mitt if you want, and I'm just gonna swirl it around, mix the product in there. And honestly, the water is actually quite hot before. Now with these gloves, I don't really feel anything. So these are actually very, very useful, especially in the winter time. So that's about good. So I'm just gonna do that. As you guys can see, the car is actually instantly is clean. Make sure you guys don't clean the whole panel without rinsing it. So after about here, just want to go in there. Also, a little side note: this bucket is equipped with grit guard as well. So you guys should always use that when you wash your car at home. I'm gonna hit just the hood area a little bit. So as you guys can see, the car actually looks a lot better already. As soon as you use this product, and if you have enough product in the water, you'll feel that it's very, very slick. You're not feeling like you're dragging dirt on the paint, which is what we want. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna do a little corner here, and we're gonna do a little cinematic edit, and we're gonna jump in to wash this car. Alright guys, that's how you wash your car in the winter. With these gears, you'll be able to stay warm, and with the Optimum no rinse, you won't scratch your car, and your car will be squeaky clean after. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and I will definitely leave all the product that we use in the description box below. So check us out at onlinedetailingstore.com, and I'll see you guys next time.